If you're a Pakistani student and looking to study in Australia without spending much, then Australia Award Scholarship is the way to go. For this year, the scholarship admission is closed, but you can still start preparing for the next year's, that is 2024 Australia Award Scholarships, because the openings for it will open in early next year. But before you apply for this program, you need to make sure that you fulfill the criteria. Because if you don't, then it will be very hard for you to get into this program. You need to be minimum of 18 years of age. You must be a Pakistani citizen. You must not be an Australian citizen or hold any permanent residency in Australia. You must have completed 16 years of education and 5 years of relevant work experience in Pakistan. And that is very important because if you have done your master's or 4 years bachelor's in Pakistan and if you don't have any experience, then it will be very hard to get the scholarship. You must not be over 45 years of age. Also, you should not have any criminal record. You must not be serving in the military, and you must return to Pakistan at the completion of the study for at least 2 years before you apply for PR or something like that. Okay. Another thing which you need to make sure is that you can't just apply in any discipline of study. There are few disciplines of studies which Pakistani and Australian government have agreed upon. Most of them are related to climate change, water resources, and so on and so forth. Okay. Now, there are a lot of benefits of this program. For instance, Australian government pays your full tuition fees. They give you return air travel, and in the economy class, of course. They also give you one time or one-off allowance. They also give you introductory academic program, and then you also receive overseas student health cover. You also get to have pre-course English fee, and then they also give you some supplementary academic support to ensure a scholar's academic success or enhance their academic experience. You also get some sort of field work here in Australia, which comes very handy. Now, applicants who want to accept an Australia Award scholarship will need to sign a contract with the Commonwealth of Australia, declaring that they'll comply with the conditions of the scholarship. Scholars are required to leave Australia for a minimum of 2 years after completing their scholarship. Now, there are a lot of things which you need to aware of when you're applying for it. For example, you need to have good IELTS score. That is extremely important. And then they mentioned earlier, you must be able to prove that you have 16 years of study plus 5 years of work experience. So if you're looking to apply to this Australia Award scholarship, this is the time for preparing. And then I will highly suggest that the first step should be that you start preparing for IELTS exam, prepare really rigorously, and then down the road in few months, take your IELTS test and pass it with flying colors before proceeding with the next steps. I hope that this video is useful. If you have any comments, questions, or any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.